Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. So in today's video, finally I'm going to show you guys how you can create a winged liner like this one if you have hooded eyes or if you have an overhanging crease. Like for the longest time, I thought it was impossible to wear a winged liner like this, whether it's a bold one or like a thin one, because of my overhanging crease. And it was super annoying. I even thought for a second, call me crazy, I'm just going to spill the truth. I even thought like maybe I should, get rid of a little bit of skin over there. And then I thought, no, I need to embrace my hooded eyes and see what I can do. So I've watched a few tutorials on Instagram, a few tutorials on YouTube, and I feel like I kind of like know how to do a winged liner if you have an overhanging crease or hooded eyes. So yeah, keep on watching. It's super hot in here, so that's why I might turn a little bit red today. Anyway, so here is the tutorial finally for hooded eyes or if you have overhanging crease. I did a video with a like how to do a winged liner on hooded eyes before, but I do feel like I've kind of like remastered it a little bit more, and I've gotten, is that English? I feel like I improved my technique a bit more, and now I do wear winged eyeliner quite frequently actually. So I thought I'm going to show you close up and like really, it's a really easy trick. It's not going to look the same as people who don't have hooded eyes or who don't have like an overhanging crease, because we are going to be we have to be a tiny bit more creative, but it's super easy. You can wear winged liner. Don't let anyone tell you different. Doesn't matter what eye shape you have. You just have to be a little bit more creative, but you can definitely wear a winged liner. So the thing you need is, sometimes I just go straight in with my eyeliner. I love this one from Too Faced, It's Better Than Sex. I actually love the Nabla one even more, which is Serial Liner. That one is just so good. But you can also use a brush and an eyeliner. This one from Ofra, this is a fixed line eyeliner in black. Probably the best cream eyeliner I've used. Look how black this is. It's so hot right now. It's like it's not even good for my makeup. So just to have this eyeshadow base, I applied a little bit of bronzer on my eyes as well. Nothing fancy, nothing, with no techniques are required. Just a little big brush and just a little bit of shadow everywhere. Later, once I apply the eyeliner, I just go in and then see if I want to have it like naked or smoky or, depends on my mood. So here's the thing why we can actually, but I don't think it looks good all the time. So if I do a winged liner, it looks beautiful once I look like this, but no one is like, my face is not like this all the time. When I have to speak to people, like I don't speak like this. I don't know about you guys, but you just laugh a lot, and then this is what happens. It's just going to push the winged liner down, and then you will have this little stripe thing, unless you do this. But as I said, I have a lot of skin, a lot of meat around here. So what we have to do and what we have to keep in mind is just look straight. So this is my angle when I look straight in the mirror. My mirror is right here, so I have to look, it's down for you guys, but I'm actually looking like this. And then I'm just going to completely ignore this skin over here, this stripe over here. I'm just going to pretend that I don't have that, like it doesn't exist. So that is the first thing that I'm going to do. And you want to start very, very light. So the thicker your eyeliner is going to be here, the thicker your wing has to be. The more the little step, because it's going to be kind of like, it's not going to be like a wing liner like this, but we have just a little step and then we have the wing. That is, that is necessary if you have an overhanging crease. Keep in mind that if you are going to go for a very thick liner, then you need to step up the game literally. So, okay, so first thing that I like to do is just draw a normal eyeliner. So kind of like this, depends on where you can also start from here. I like that as well. Maybe I'll do that later. I like to start very thin and to create like this foxy eye effect. I like to start like in the middle. And then once you go down, so I'm not doing this at all. You just have to look straight. And as I said, I am completely ignoring the fact that there is a line. So you just apply it how you would normally apply your wing liner if you didn't have this. I'm not going to call this a problem because hooded eyes are beautiful. Okay, so there you go. So this is kind of like the shape I want. And now I'm just going to connect these two like that. Now I'm going to lift my eye and then make sure that everything looks straight and nice. So we do have this little step, as I said. And then you just want to take a flat brush. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills in 20. And I use this like to kind of like clean up my brows. But you can also apply a little bit of concealer or micellar water and then just clean this up. So I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. And if you're going to use a micellar water, which is perfect for this, then I would suggest using a micellar water without the oil, just like a normal regular micellar water. I'm using a little bit of NARS concealer. Okay, and then I fill this in so everything is like really nice and black. Once I look straight, you can still see the eyeliner. It doesn't look like it's fading or it's folding. But I don't like this graphic look all the time. I do like it sometimes, but then, you know, it needs to be perfected and stuff like that. So I like to make that part a little bit smoky. So I like to take a smudge brush like this, like a small, almost flat smudge brush. And this is the Smoky and Smudge from Huda Beauty. And then you can just take a brown or a black shade. I'm going in with a tiny bit of black, just a tiniest bit. And then I like to kind of like fade this, smoke this out, and fade the edges. For me, this is more like a bold winged liner. You can also make it like a little bit shorter and like stop right here. So you have like a mini wing. But then I also like to use a little bit of highlighter. This is from Huda Beauty, by the way. Gorgeous highlighter. And I like to just kind of like dab it in the center. I'm also going to put concealer on, so usually I perfect in this line as well, or I just put a little bit of that black shadow and just connect it with my lower lash line. That looks like, you know, like a little bit more neat. Now I'm going to do the rest of my makeup so you guys can really see the result with all the makeup on and with the rest of my eye makeup. So I'm going to fast forward this stuff because you probably know what I'm going to use already.
Selector, rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector.
Okay, oh my god, it's still super, super hot. So I did the rest of my makeup. I actually really like how it turned out. So this is how the eyeliner looks. And I think it's really beautiful. It's still, like, it's bold, but at the same time, it's still soft. Probably because the rest of my makeup is quite simple. And it's not as black, just because I faded a little bit with that black eyeshadow. It looks a little bit softer. As much as I really love this look, I also want to do like a smaller winged liner, which is probably a little bit more wearable, you know, like for daytime. And I want to do that on my stories on Instagram as well. Same technique, same everything, just very thin. And I know that you guys are going to ask for my lipstick, and this is such a gorgeous one. This is Bambola from Mulak. So they have amazing lipsticks. This is the color, and I just dab it like that. Maybe you'll need to like practice once or twice, but then once you figured out how you need to do a wing liner, I don't think you can live without. So let me know. I would love to see your creations on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me over there as well. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one.